want the best bike mount for your Insta360 camera? Well, Insta360 have just released a new one and it is the best bike mount, full stop. This mount does everything. It holds your Insta360 One X2 for an amazing third-person view. It holds your smartphone or your bike computer for tracking your rides on Strava. It also has another mount on the bottom for use of a dash cam kind of camera or another view and another angle on your ride. So this is it. It's really, really easy to fit and it's very secure. It's basically got two secure points, which makes it very secure. These clamp around your bike handlebar and you just screw it in and it locks into place like that. Inside of here you have got rubber inserts so it grips onto the handlebar really well. Now, like I mentioned, there's 3 contact points on here for attaching different accessories, cameras, bike computers, smartphones, whatever you're going to be attaching to this. But the main one is at the front for use with this new carbon fibre rod, similar to the one we've seen on the backpack mount. This mount goes on the front and then you put your Insta360 on the front and then you can get that amazing third-person view that we all want, that floating third cameraman kind of view. It's just really, really exceptional and you can't get it with any other camera. So that's the first contact point. You can add your Insta360 on here. You can also use your Insta360 One RS with the 360 module attached to it and it will work as well. This will be, of course, invisible. There's a contact point on the top for attaching a bike computer or your smartphone, which is really handy for tracking your rides or just looking at a map, or you can use something like this for attaching onto the side there, and then that goes in there like that and you can lock it in and have your smartphone attached to the bike mount as well. Not only that, we have one underneath for like a dash cam kind of camera. Now I've mounted my Insta360 One RS under like that, and if you use the Insta360 One RS in loop mode, it acts as a dash camera. It just records and saves at SD card space, records over the footage, and then especially in this day and age, the roads are really busy. Having like a dash cam is really handy, especially if you get into any kind of accident, God forbid. But it's really handy. Loop mode on the Insta360 One RS is fantastic. In the box you get the carbon fibre rod, you get the mount itself, and then you just get a couple of more washers on there just in case you do lose any. It's designed specifically for road cycling, so not designed for off-road riding, but I did take it a little bit off-road, and although this does shake about, this being carbon fibre will absorb some of the bumps and the vibrations definitely. It's stiff as well, so it won't move around. Also, that the flow state will just cut out most of that vibration and shake. So I think it would be okay for taking off-road, but I didn't test it extensively. This is something that's just designed for road cycling though, especially with that added security of having like a dash cam down below. You can adjust the angle of your Insta360 One X2, just twist this and it goes up and down, so you can adjust the angle to your liking. And to top it all off, it's incredibly light and strong. It just literally weighs nothing. I'm not actually sure how much it weighs, but it's very light indeed and very strong. I love the fact it's got the 2 connect points there because it just makes the connection strong. It's not going to move around or fall off like other mounts I've used in the past. Just one more thing to note that I did notice, and it's only designed for circular handlebars. So if you've got a road bike with an aero handlebar, this won't work. So only with circular handlebars. That's probably the only drawback to this because it's fantastic. The fact you've got these 3 mounting points for different kind of cameras and you can switch them around if you want to is brilliant. I don't think there's any other mount for bike riding, recording your rides, and for smart computers and smartphones and dash cams out there. Not that I know of anyway. So a really unique bit of kit here, and the only bit of kit I would fully recommend for bike riding. You can of course be creative and go into the app and use the Shot Lab and swap the sky out, for instance, with the sky swap effect in the Shot Lab, and that'd be a really cool effect for your bike ride. So there's loads of different things, and priced at £41.99 in the UK is fantastic. You can buy the One X2 bike cycling kit, and that comes with this included and a bunch of other things for recording your bike rides specifically. So that is the new bike mount from Insta360. Fully recommend it. Really, really impressed, and like I said, I'll bang on about it a bit more. The fact it's got those 3 contact points for different cameras and different smart devices is absolutely game changing. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We've got plenty of other action camera videos and tech videos every single week, so stay tuned. But that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.